Welcome to Pretty Crafty. Today we're going to be making this beautiful origami butterfly. You will need a square piece of paper and scissors. Take your square paper and carefully fold it in half, corner to corner. Then unfold it and fold the opposite corners together. You should now have a square sheet with two fold lines going from corner to corner. Now take your sheet and fold it in half to form a rectangle. Now open it out and fold it back over the other way. Then, using those center fold lines, carefully pull the sides up and in to form a triangle. Fold the new triangle in half and, using a pair of scissors, carefully round off the one corner. Open it up and fold the top two flaps of the paper down into the middle into a heart shape. Fold the bottom over and tuck the tip back over the other side. Secure the fold, and just like that, you are done. Well done on making your own origami butterfly. Have fun making things together with your family and friends. The only limit is your imagination.